All right, so we're just gonna be using a few cloves, or about 3 to 4 cloves from this to make a cup of garlic tea. Remember my book, get yourself a copy of the book and support Chef Ricardo Cooking. Let's go straight into it, guys. So right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 3 cloves of garlic. All right, just like that. I'm going to be using this little one. I'm not gonna make it a large cup, just a small cup. This is 1 clove, 2 cloves, and this is another little piece right here. Straight, what I'm gonna do is pour some hot water. Just like that, all right? Cover it for a few minutes and allow it for it to draw.